Okay, here's some more update. It's been about a week since the last time, and I'm not sure where I left off. But anyway, I did get part of an air filter housing. Still haven't found the other part here. What else was it? The original vacuum fuel pump right there was not working. I had this electric fuel pump that I put on, just ran a line, and that goes to the carburetor. This here comes over to a connection in here that when you turn the key on, it'll start working. Let's see, I plugged off the vacuum line that went to the fuel pump, and it now will fire up and run and kind of drive. However, it is doing some surging where it doesn't run at a smooth, steady speed. Kind of revs up and back, revs up and back. And I think it has something to do with the governor linkage down here out of adjustment. I really have no idea how to fix that because I haven't researched it enough. But anyway, I'll fire it up and I'll show you a run around in the yard that it does work. Alrighty. Do a little drive here. Not sure if it's picking it up on camera, but it's kind of surging back and forth there, so. And I'll step on it. But it is running anyway. So there's definitely something wrong with the governor linkage, because it revs up, then it slows down, revs up, slows down, kind of surging. But otherwise, got that on there. It does run and drive. I just need to figure out the governor on it. Do some more research on it, I guess, and see what I can figure out with it. But anyway, there's a quick update to it. And when I figure out what's wrong with it, I will update again. Another little update. I do believe I figured out what was causing the surging. I thought it was the governor, but it turns out it wasn't that. Instead, it was actually this rear pulley. I did some research, and it turns out that this spring in here, if that is not very tight, these sheaves, when they come apart, it comes apart real easy. And that's what was happening when the clutch was grabbing it. It was letting that come apart real quick, easy. And then it slid back in and kept going back and forth like that. That's what was causing the surging. So what I did, I took it off. We took this little C-clip down here off. gave this what they call a helix, I think it's what it's called. I gave this about a half a turn, put it back on, which that in turn tightened up the spring. So now when this sheaves come apart, it takes more force to pull this one apart, which it grabs the belt tighter, and now it doesn't surge back and forth like that. So if anybody else is having that problem, check your driven pulley back here. And from what I found out, this one mainly keeps tension on the belt, and it works with the tension on this one. And if they're not the same, then it kind of grabs and then releases, grabs and releases, and that's what causes surging back and forth. So anyway, there's that. I'm still looking for the front part of the air cleaner housing. I believe that's about all I need to do as far as driving it. And you have to get the hose that goes from here so that you can choke it when it's cold. But anyway, need to do something about the paint. It looks like crap. But anyway, there you go. It's a little update. Maybe if you're having the same problem, check out your pulley. And thanks for watching, and I will update you as I go along more.